We work on like products that change the whole world, right? So the impact that you have on anything that you touch and see, that's pretty amazing to be part of that whole journey. Hi everyone, I'm Neena Naidu. I'm Director of Engineering with the platform PDMS Group, based out of Atlanta, Georgia. PDMS stands for Product Design and Manufacturing Solutions. It's one of the bigger pieces of Autodesk, and we're really focused on more design and build applications to support our customers. I happened to run across computer science as a topic, and I was like, hey, that sounds really interesting, and it was picking up. So I signed up for being a Bachelor of Computer Science student. And that kind of got me into Masters, and I applied for future further studies, and it got me here. And that's how I've started my engineering career with that. It's not just the products and the services we work on, but I think it's really the people and the culture that we bring together. We're really trying to source and bring in talent from not just external, but we're also giving a chance to everybody internally to apply. And I like the blend of how we do that. And we're giving encouragement to people to grow. I think overall it kind of shows the nature of how we work with people, that we care about them. So I think that really stands out. So just continuing to kind of blend all those together with technology and all the fun stuff we get to do at Autodesk, I think that makes it a great place to be at. We've done hackathons not to just engage our own teams, but to also engage engineers across Autodesk. We are encouraging innovation days or weeks a couple times over a quarter with groups and engineering teams, so they can spend really time innovating, like learning a new technical language or trying out a new proof of concept work that they've been debating or thinking about. Instead of a push-down model, we've been doing more of a pull model, in which we give opportunities to different individuals to say, hey, what is it that you want to kind of grow into? And what can we as managers or leaders do to support that? My advice in terms of engineering would be that things change all the time in engineering. It's okay to fail and move further ahead. It's also okay to try new things. You don't have to be an engineer all your life. You can explore and learn different ways of operating within engineering groups. There are different technologies that you can learn and pick on, and there are plenty of options. It changes anyways, so try it.